What's up, everybody? Back at you with another video. Today we are going to be installing a Glock OEM Minus connector, trigger connector, on my 43X build. See, there's no magazine, nothing in the chamber. Safe gun, safe direction. Alright, let's take this gun down. Alright, now to put the trigger connector in, you gotta take out the trigger pin here. See, is that on camera? Let's get, use this cup actually. Okay, there's the pin, leave it in there for safekeeping. Okay, now what I need to do is take this other pin out too, right here. And take this locking block out. Now let's see. Now you should be able to pull the trigger right out of there. And then on the back side here, you're gonna lift up and over. Trigger's gonna come right off. Now you're gonna have right here, that's your trigger connector. So let me get out the new one. Here's the new one. It's a Glock OEM polished trigger connector. See the little minus right there? So that's a Glock OEM Minus connector. Okay. So now I'm going to remove the old one. Or maybe a punch on the back, like on the back side right here. See it right there? You're going to just push it out. Then you're going to put your new one back in the little slot there. You got this in the slot there. You can reassemble your trigger. You're going to start it in at an angle. And you see this piece right here? Let me see. This piece right here, you're gonna want to get your trigger up underneath it. So you're gonna come in at an angle, get it underneath that groove, and then you're gonna push it back down this way. And there it goes. It snaps right on in. And that's it. And now you reverse the process of putting it back, and I'll show it to you when it's done. Alright, that pin's back in, that pin's back in, everything's in there. Let's put the slide back on. Function test. Alright, and that's there you go. It's back together. Feels a little crisper. To me, it doesn't feel any lighter, but it feels crisper. But it's supposed to be a lighter trigger pull. Maybe it is lighter, but anyway, it feels good. I just kind of wanted to keep the trigger stock on this after all because it's my carry gun. So at least this way, it's a little bit lighter trigger pull supposedly with that minus connector, and it's OEM part, so I don't have to worry about any kind of legalities or anything. So there it is. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.